David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. This morning, I'm at the WWII Memorial in Washington, D.C. And one of the things I like best about this place is that it remembers everything and everyone that made victory possible in that conflict. Because the war wasn't won by only those in combat. It took a monumental nationwide effort on the home front to feed and supply our troops. These wreaths of oak leaves represent America's industrial might, the ability to manufacture ships and planes and bullets faster than our adversaries, and this is key to victory. And the wreaths of wheat represent America's agricultural production, the ability to feed everyone at home, troops around the world, sailors on the seven seas, and after the war, to feed our former enemies. We're the only country in the history of the world, through the Marshall Plan, to reach out a helping hand to those who fought against us. And here on the bas-relief sculptures, my favorite part of the entire memorial, you can see the men and women doing the hard and vital work of producing the food and war material needed for victory. But to learn more about life on the home front, I had to travel far from Washington. The sleepy town and beaches of St. Simon's Island, Georgia, belies its home front role in World War II. The story is told in this gem of a museum at what used to be a Coast Guard station. Like so many towns, the war transformed St. Simon's. An airport was built to train Navy pilots. Blimps patrolled the coast looking for U-boats. And in households here and across the country, food, clothing, shoes, tires, and gasoline was rationed for civilian use. And coastal towns like St. Simon had blackouts, so U-boats couldn't spot ships against the night lights of the town. What struck me most about this museum is how it conveyed the spirit of the home front. No one complained about their rights being violated because they had to turn out their lights at night. The cause was bigger than that, and success depended on everyone doing their part. So if you're visiting St. Simon's or Washington, D.C., make sure you stop and remember the sacrifices made on the home front. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.